In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Reddit on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official Reddit app, download it safely, and complete the installation without confusion. I'll also share a few quick tips so things go smoothly the first time. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. This can be Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or Firefox, whatever you're comfortable with. Head to the Microsoft Store online. The easiest way is to search for Microsoft Store in your browser and open the official Microsoft site. You can also type Microsoft Store Reddit to jump straight to the app page. Before you proceed, make sure you're on the official Microsoft domain and you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Once the Microsoft Store page is open, use the search bar at the top and type Reddit. Look for the official Reddit app listing. Check the publisher name and logo to confirm you're not clicking a lookalike. The official listing will have the recognizable Reddit branding and solid user ratings. Next, click the download or get button. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account. That's normal and helps the store keep your apps tied to your device. You might also see a prompt to open the Microsoft Store app on your PC. Go ahead and allow that. Sometimes the installation is handed off to the Store app for a more streamlined process. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space before you continue. Once the download finishes, run the installer if one was provided. In many cases, the Microsoft Store installs the app automatically, and you'll see a progress bar right in the store window. If your browser downloads a setup file, locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, choose Yes to continue. Now follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. You may be asked to accept terms, choose an install location, or wait while components are set up. Keep the window open until it reaches 100% and confirms the installation is complete. That's it. After installation, you can find Reddit in your Start menu. If you plan to use it often, right-click the icon to pin it to your taskbar for easy access. If anything doesn't work, like a grayed out Get button, make sure Windows is updated, you're signed into the Microsoft Store, and you have enough storage. Enjoy exploring Reddit on your PC.